Identify the center, vertices, and the foci of the hyperbola given by the equation x minus 1 squared over 16 minus y plus 2 squared over 25 equals 1. Graph the hyperbola. First of all, our center is nice and easy to find. We've got x minus 1, so the x coordinate is 1, and y plus 2, so the y coordinate is negative 2. Next, I like to state whether this is a vertical or horizontal hyperbola. The x comes first here, so this is a horizontal hyperbola. And that tells us now when we're finding our vertices that because it's horizontal, we'll be changing the x coordinate. So we have 1 plus or minus, and then we look over at our equation here, and we can write this using the general form as something squared. So 16 is 4 squared, and 25 is 5 squared. And so our vertices, we are changing the x-coordinate, so it's 1 plus or minus 4, comma 5. Or sorry, negative 2, the y-coordinate of the center. And for our foci, we're going to change the x-coordinate again. Okay? But we need to know c. So to get c, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. So 16 plus 25. And that's 41. So c is the square root of 41. So our foci are 1 plus or minus the square root of 41, comma negative 2. Now we are ready to graph this. Oops. So we've got our center at 1, negative 2. And from our center, we can create the box to give us our guide asymptotes. So we use our A and our B to do that. So we move 4 in the x direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the opposite direction as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can then go vertically 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 5. And then just go ahead and create our box out of that. Obviously, I'm not have a very steady hand. Doesn't have to be perfect though. So there's our box, and then we can create our asymptotes. So there's one asymptote, and then the other. And then we've got, this is a horizontal hyperbola, so we go horizontally for our vertices, and then create our hyperbola. So there's the sketch of our hyperbola. We can, of course, draw the foci. The square root of 41 is a little bit bigger than 6, so 1 plus 6 put us at 7, and we're here at 5, so 7, a little bit more than 7. And same thing over here.